Alright, so the last few lectures we've learned quite a lot dealing with the turtle module. We've learned how to first of all create some basic shapes. We learned about the forward, the left, the right. We then learned about the up and the down, how to fill in colors, how to choose a color, and how to reset the whole frame. Now the next thing I want to talk about today is functions. So just like we learned how to use loops with our turtle code, I also want to show you guys how we can use functions as well. So it's going to be very interesting. Now, the first function that we should create is a simple function that creates a square based on the number you provide. For example, if I pass in 50 into the function, I should get a square of side 50 in length and width. Okay? So let's go ahead and create it. First thing first, I need to import turtle. Then t is equal to turtle.pen. Alright. And as soon as I do that, my Python launcher comes, and again, just like the previous few lectures, I'll be minimizing this and bringing up my Python launcher. So here it is. Let me just put it side by side. There we go. And here. Awesome. So the next thing I want to do is create this function. So the way this function will work is just like any other function. We'll use the def key. Then let's call this a square function, for example. Square. And it takes in the parameter side, okay? And all the side does is it tells us, hey, how big do we want our square to be? And all we're now going to say is, for I in range, 0, 5, we want to say, oh my god, 0, 5, all we want to say is t dot forward. So t dot forward side and t dot left 90. Alright, so again, a very simple function, and let's go ahead and give it a try. So square 10, let's do a small one. Fantastic. Let's go ahead, try another one. Square 20. Alright, let's do one more. Square 50. Alright, so this is a very cool function in which we just talked about how we can use our function skills we learned a few sections ago into our turtle module. So let's go ahead and create a circle one now. Again, it's going to be the exact same thing. We'll pass in the radius, except now what we can do is, actually let's just do radius. Let's keep things simple. So for actually there's nothing to it. All we have to do is say t dot circle and then radius. Alright, so if I circle 10, okay, pretty cool. Circle 50 and circle 100. Very neat. So as you can see, we've now just basically touched base on functions with turtle module. Again, it's a very broad subject. You can do tons and tons of things. So what I want you to do now is just play around with this whole turtle module. Hopefully you've got the hang of it. Again, we won't be coming back to this turtle module. It's just basically just to show you, hey, this exists. I want you guys to know. But after this, all our GUI, all our graphics will be done via the Tkinter module. So fantastic job. If you have any questions on any of the inbuilt modules we've discussed so far, what does asTime do? What is sys.exit? Or how does this turtle module work? Why is it there? Stuff like that. Please don't hesitate to ask. I'll definitely reply to you. And other than that, I hope to see you in the next section, which will be about the Tkinter module.